Show you Onda airdrop. Okay, early sign up. So in order to join in here, you need to definitely check out description box and getting the our Telegram channel link. And inside of the Telegram channel, you'll find this offer link. Okay, so first, what you need to do in order to down it, you need to paste that link into your browser, and you need to put your Twitter username. So if I go to Twitter for getting our Twitter username, let me see what happened on there. Okay, I'm just trying to find out my Twitter username. I forget it. So my Twitter username, if I go to the profile, now I'll be copy it, then I will paste it into that form. Okay, early sign up. So I'll paste into it here. So found your Twitter username, then Discord username. So if I go to the discord.com, and if I found out the Discord username, so I'm inside of the Discord now. I'll be go through my profile and I will copy my username. Okay, copy username, copied. Now I'll be paste it into here. Okay, I'll be paste it into here, then I'll be click on the signing up. Then I'm going to down the participations. So level on XP0, welcome to Onda, and on 10 XP per each referral. Okay, so you don't need to do anything, just wait for TGA and that's it. And next update, further update. Okay.